Hi everyone, today working on an Alfa Romeo 159 and we've got an engine fault. You can see they got EML light on, and also when you're gonna start the engine you're gonna get an warning saying please have your engine checked. There you go. And we're gonna see what's wrong with this one. So I just hooked up my scanner, Launch X431V. So let's do a fault code search. So I'm just gonna go Alfa Romeo. Okay. Let's then manually select 159. System selection, and these are 2 liters diesel engine. So let's select engine and gearbox. Let's see what we've got there. So let's do a read fault code. So we're having a brake switch fault, a please refer to manual fault, so that's not very helpful, and we've got an airflow meter signal. Alright, let's have a look at some live data. Let's see what this airflow meter signal looks like. This I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna have to look into that. Might be referring to the air mass flow, might not be. So let's go to read data stream here, and let's look for the air mass measured, and air temperature, airflow meter. Let's see if you can, that works indeed. The air temperature is working. Let's click OK. Let's see only these 2 for now. So we've got air mass measured 437 milligram per injection. And we've got air temperature, airflow meter 9 degrees. That's a bit too warm. Outside are 2 degrees, so let's say it's getting hot air from inside the engine bay. And let's erase all the codes. Yes. Okay. And the fault is still there, even though I have not even started the engine. Let's turn the ignition off. So as you can see, that fault won't go away. Let's try something. Let's go on EOBD. Right. Let's exit here. EOBD. Okay. Fault codes. Generic. No fault codes. Alright. Let's go to read live data. And let's select airflow mass temperature. Intake air temperature. My standard rate to be on the airflow rates and intake between 30 and 8 degrees, but See there on the airflow rate, I've got 0. Even if you're revving the engine, no change. Intake air temperature 9 degrees. Let's go back a bit, and now that I've got the engine running. Let's see. Read follow codes. Generic. Right, so we got the pending fault. Air mass flow meter has a performance range. Okay, so we are under the body now. I pull out the wiring diagram for this engine. Also, this is a new air mass flow sensor being fitted by someone else, and fault is still there. So I just disconnected this. So if we gonna follow the wiring diagram, we can see on pin number 1 we've got a 12 volt supply after ignition on, I believe. Hang on, let me zoom this one out. Go away. And if you pull this down, 15, yes, it's on 15, so that's ignition on, and that fuse powers up the what is this S13? S13 is brake switch. We did have a fault on the brake switch also powers up, let's see, these are B30, should be our air mass flow meter, and it is. And this one here, fuel water separator sensor and fuel temperature sensor. So let's see if we got 12 volts on this pin number 1 here. So okay, let's put ignition on. Okay, so we got ignition on now. Let me take my probe. Let's see first if it actually works, this probe. Let's see. Yeah, that's working. And let's gently, just barely touch the pin, but not where the pin goes, just on top here. And let's see. We've got no light. So we either have a breakage in this wire, or the fuse is gone. Right. So here's a fuse panel here. I'm looking for fuse F35, if this is accurate. F30. I only got until F30, so must be a fuse panel inside the car then. Right, let's go inside the car. Okay, so the fuse panel is just above the OBD port. So let's see what, I can't see anything. Put some light on. So F44, F40. Oh, this is not even in order. Anyway, let's take it. Oh, there you go. F35. This one right here. It's a 7.5 amps fuse, just like the one in the. Let's pull this out. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. This fuse it's blown. I'm wondering why. That's the first question, but for now, let's see if he's gonna put a new fuse in, if he's gonna blow this one out too. So I've got a new fuse. Let's pop that in. Okay. Let's put ignition on. Okay, so now with the new fuse fitted, let's see if we get a voltage there. Let's gently touch it there. Olé! So we've got ignition. So that's very good. Could be that simple. That would be beautiful. Right, let's plug this back in. It's all nice in. Let's go inside the car and erase the fault, and let's cycle ignition on and off and see if the fault goes away. Okay, we're back in the car. So let's do, come on, wake up. Good. Let's go back. Oh, sit. Alright, let me try to focus there. Good. Let's clear all the fault codes for now. Yes. Okay.
Let's read the fault code now. And guess what? No fault code. Wow, that was easy. The second ignition off. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Let's put it back on. And let's do read fault code again. That's it. No more fault code. So, if you just looked at the wiring diagram, that fuse was powering up both the brake switch and the air mass flow sensor. So, big question now is, why did the fuse blown? Anyway, for now, let's put everything back together. Let's start the car. Okay, we're back from road test. Everything worked so fine now. No lights on dash whatsoever, so that's good. So I'm gonna put the ignition on and let's scan the faults now. Okay, let's read the fault code. We got no more fault codes. Very happy with that. Quick and easy. We were lucky today, nothing too complicated. So that ends my video for today. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you on my next video.